More local news now. Attorneys for the Slender Man defendants want the jury sequestered in the upcoming trial. They are arguing that the case has gotten a lot of publicity already and that the jurors could be tainted. Tom Durian joining us now from the court today with more.
Hi, Shannon. You really couldn't go anywhere back in 2014 without hearing about this case. And now attorneys are worried about the same thing during the trial.
You can warn jurors all you want that they can't use social media or read papers or watch TV, but it's pretty hard when you're out and about and there's a big case in the news.
The attention the Slender Man case has received hasn't been limited to the local media. The attempted first-degree homicide case against Morgan Geiser and Anissa Weier has drawn attention from the national media and was even the focus of an HBO documentary. It's that attention that has prompted the request for jurors to be sequestered in this case.
We want to make sure that she has an impartial jury.
The recent sequestration of jurors in the trial of a former Milwaukee police officer charged with reckless homicide was used as an example. In that case, the court was worried about violence in the wake of the verdict and the safety of the jury more than a third-party influence.
I'd like to believe, Judge, that a jury here in Waukesha County is going to do everything they can to follow the court's instructions.
The judge cited cases of sequestered juries he'd researched, some dating back to the 60s. But it's today's media environment he's worried about.
The type of media concentration, the ability to communicate anonymously with members of the jury or members of the public wasn't at all what it is today.
Now, in Geiser's case, the arguments were heard today, and the judge said he'll make a decision in the next week or so. Due to a paperwork delay, the judge delayed the arguments in the other case until later this month. Both girls were given the opportunity to meet with their families for 90 minutes here in Waukesha before they headed back to the detention center. Reporting live outside the courthouse, Tom Durian, today's TMJ4.
Yeah, some big decisions for the judge. All right, Tom, thanks.